people? Welcome to day 16, Deanna and Family Vlogmas. As you can see, I am on the road, out and about. This is round 3 of COVID testing for field workers in my office that I have been given the pleasure of coordinating. The thing with today is I'm like super early today because if you live in the New Jersey area, specifically Mercer County, where we're from, there is this extremely huge storm that's expected to hit our area about 1 o'clock. So what I normally do is we have field workers that work in the southern region. I usually meet them at our office. We conduct the testing. They stay in their car. There's no contact. If they're able to self-administer. We usually do that about 9 o'clock. And then for our northern workers who are a little farther up, they meet at our New Brunswick testing location about 1 o'clock. The thing today is the storm is actually expected to hit about 1 o'clock. It's like an 80% chance of snow, which, 80% is close enough to me to not want to be out on the roads when it does start. So I have scheduled my morning testing for them to be there at 8:30, and then the afternoon testing in New Brunswick for them to be there at 11 o'clock. I'm trying to give everybody enough time to get tested and get their asses off the road when this storm hits. I don't need that on my conscience. Somebody done, was forced to come take this test, and then on the way back home, they get caught up in this snowstorm and, something happens. So, yeah. So after that, I'm going to run to the liquor store. Can't get snowed in with no liquor or wine, not at Club 506. So I'm going to the liquor store just to grab me a few things. I went to the grocery store yesterday, got everything the house needs. I'm going to throw down some salt just to kind of, lessen the snow in front of my house and around my house to avoid anyone from falling, slipping, shit like that. And then the rest of the day, I'm just going to relax. I don't have any schoolwork. This is a week where I don't have any assignments but discussions, and I can actually do those on Saturday. So, yeah, I'm just going to kick back, see what this snowstorm do, and make it do what it do. I'll hit you guys later. Maybe after I leave the testing center, I'm going to probably run to Starbucks.
Ooh, I look a mess. I'm gonna get my mom to bring my hair so I can put my wig back on, but I was at the office today. I left early because my supervisor wanted us to get out early because it's about to snow, like a snowstorm coming. Yeah, I left there and then I started DoorDashing. I did like 2 DoorDash orders. I love DoorDashing, man. Easy money, real quick. Made $20 in like 30 minutes, not even. But I want to do some more, but I'm actually hungry, and my mom want to go to the liquor store before the storm hit. We love our liquor. It's like, nah, but yeah, I'm on my way home so I can pick her up so we could go to the liquor store. So I'll see y'all when I get to the house.
Oh my gosh, y'all saw I'm in the car with Pootie, right? And we just ran to the liquor store. I had to give me a couple bottles of wine. Because, again, it's going to be a snowstorm. Man, some dude just act like he was about to hit Pootie's car. What you say, Pootie?
Try again, sweetie.
Oh, pump your brakes, boo.
Look, mind you, she off the tents. He ain't see nothing. So he was ready to fight because he almost hit the front of Willow. Can't be tearing Willow up. So we stopped at my mom's spot. This one can go get this blow-up bed because, so her and Tasia's room is on the 3rd floor in the house. And where they're for some reason, the way the house is built, there's no vents or anything like that. So naturally, in the wintertime, it gets extra cold up there. Like, now my daughter Tasia loves the cold. But, you see Pootie ain't got no blood in her. So as soon as it's cold, as soon as she feel any type of coldness, she out. So the past couple days, she been staying at my mom's house. But of course, this snowstorm, and she don't want to risk getting snowed in over here. She gonna stay home. But I got a like a portable heater for their room, but just in case it's not sufficient enough, she's gonna go grab the air bed from my mom's house. So just in case, if it's still too cold upstairs for her, she can blow up the air mattress and sleep downstairs, which is the shit she want to do anyway. Because at one point she took over my downstairs like it was her apartment. Like, I mean, I had to evict her little ass. Yeah. So yeah, we on our way back to the house. Got my wine. Don't be fooled by the box. That box is not filled. Not this time, anyway.
Hey y'all, welcome to day 16. Ain't not much going on right now. I'm just working. Tarika not working.
I'm always working. I'm checking emails. Wow.
Anyway, it ain't really much going on right now. It's supposed to be snowing soon, so we're gonna see about that. Some 14 inches, we'll see about that. I ain't eat breakfast yet. I want to go to Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Why you ain't tell nobody?
Anna, I was out of this house at like 8:15.
Oh, you mean you went before you went to the office?
After I left from the office. On my way back, and I had to run to Ollie's to get the heaters, but yeah. Girl, your ass was... Put the camera on.
Girl, I've been, first of all, I've been in my bed, but I've been up since 7 o'clock this morning.
I know that. She ain't came out that room all damn day. How am I supposed to know she was up?
All day.
Anna.
I'm down here right now.
We did have Starbucks, y'all.
We?
Me and Tage, I bought her a plum thing.
And you couldn't bring me nothing. Anyway, I guess I gotta fend for myself for breakfast.
Over here.
She wants y'all to see this little fireplace that she got.
See it? It's cute, right? And the heat, it can, like, crazy thing is, it makes it look like the heat will come off of here, right? The heat actually comes out here. And of course, this is all fake. This ain't no real fire. But it looked like it. Look, they even got the little handle and shit like it open. Cute though, right?
So y'all, I'm super competitive, right?
Yeah.
And maybe you can see it from your angle, babe. Do it from your angle. Okay, so they keep laughing at me, but the way I did it was I see if something's a word. So I Googled TOWO because I wanted it to be a word so I can use joint. And they keep laughing at me. I'm very competitive though. Even when it's like this, I'm still like that desperate.
A mess. Just skip.
No. I got this. I got something here.
I don't think there's any other words you can make.
Remove that. Stop doubting me.
Right.
Everyone, Scrabble. It's me.
All right, but what you
Blow.
you get up?
They're pissed.
She cheated.
I did not.
You did.
You are just mad. Mad.
He's over here looking up made up words.
I was not. You're lying. All right, whatever. Y'all, the snow is coming down. Hopefully, it don't get to no freaking 14 feet. I mean, 14 inches. Hopefully, it goes away by morning. The sun melts it away.
How much snow?
It's not a lot, but it is sticking.
Yeah, as always, the fucking weatherman want to over-exaggerate shit. Let me see what's going on out here. But they said it's supposed to last all the way, like, well into tomorrow morning, so ain't no telling when it's supposed to stop. I ain't shoveling shit. I ain't shoveling shit till... No, I shovel. Let's make it clear. My kids don't shovel shit. I shovel, but I'm not shoveling shit till it's done and over. Like, what is it called?
Emmett Otter's Jug Band Christmas.
Emmett Otter's... What the fuck is a jug band?
I don't know. Give me a remote. Let me see. It's me.
So, you want to catch it?
I don't know.
Listen, I literally got it. I aimed it right there. She wasn't even supposed to drop that.
What? What is this?
Let's watch the trailer.
What is this?
Crystal keep trying to tell us this is one of her favorite Christmas movies.
So Deanna trying to make us watch a movie that is one of the favorite movies of one of our coworkers. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. See the TV?
It looked crazy. It looked like the Muppets.
So it's one of those type movies.
I guess that's what it looked like. You ain't see them things? I guess them the otters.
Oh, this is old.
Say that when business was bad. Yeah, he said it a lot.
What?
Wait now. Would you look at that? What? That swell guitar.
First of all, they look very weird. I don't like the fact that it's puppets. They jamming on here.
What is this? I thought that was Kermit.
I could set. It look like a fake ass Kermit. Look at the beard with the shit. The beard. I don't like it. No.
Me? I hope it's not my in-laws. Unless you're listening. If so, I can't wait to see you. On the way, a little music to get you in the holiday spirit. Merry Christmas.